Yes.
Hello, I am Bhagyashri and I'm currently and I just got to experience a live demonstration of EDODWAJA's virtual reality device. And I think that they are doing a fabulous job in helping tech education reach to school students in a very entertaining way through virtual reality and to increase awareness about futuristic technology. I really wish that this device and this invention made by Madhulash was there when I was in school, because when I was in school we used to learn science by memorizing scientific facts from textbooks, but this is how you can actually get students interested in science and make them future innovators. I think this is a brilliant innovation.
Thank you.